So this is an SMC ceiling fan in the hotel room where Daikin is. So it's spinning at low speed from this 3-speed control in the wall. And let me show you the second speed. Is 2 right there. And as you can hear, it has bearing noise, which starts at the second speed, which really sucks because it's noisy. So I'm gonna show you the third speed, fastest. It's here, and it blows a whole lot of air. But it isn't really fast because I think its bearing is really dry, which you can hear the noise. And the creaking sound, I don't know. And it's a bit wobbly, but not really, just vibrating. And yeah, thank you for watching.